For all you peanut butter lovers, I'm going to show you how to make a Peabelette, which is my term for a peanut butter omelette. It requires just one egg, can be done in the microwave, takes no more time than making a slice of toast and spreading it. So here's how we go. A little bit of coconut oil in the bowl. We need a broad flat bowl, just a small amount of coconut oil, which in the winter tends to be solid. Put that in the microwave for about a minute just to melt it. I won't bore you with the whole minute, we'll just cut to the end. Next thing to do is spread the oil around, particularly coating the sides so that the egg doesn't stick there. I use my fingers. If you don't get your hands dirty, you're not a real cook. Okay, next step is the peanut butter. So just a heaped dessert spoon, something like that. I prefer peanut butter with no added sugar. It's getting harder and harder to find, and most of the ones that are available don't have emulsifier, so the oil separates out. Bit of a pain, but that's what we peanut butter lovers have to put up with. Next we break the egg into the bowl. Then I add a little bit of salt. Although the peanut butter has a bit of salt in it, I like to add a little bit just for the egg. I'm a high salt person, not everybody is, up to you, personal taste. I like a bit of spice, some chili flakes. And just for a bit of variety, some Italian herb, but again all of these additives are entirely up to your personal taste, whatever you like. I used to add chopped onion and chopped gherkin, but it was too much work. I'm a lazy bugger. So now we just mix it all up, make a bit of a sludge. Try to break up the peanut butter and get it blended into the egg as best you can. This is crunchy peanut butter, which is my preference, so it's not totally possible, but we're getting a reasonable sludge here. Also you'll find that as you do that, the peanut butter tends to clump onto the fork, so you just need to occasionally scrape that off and continue. Alright, that's probably sludgy enough for me. Back into the microwave for about 30 seconds initially. Now, one thing I've found with cooking omelette in the microwave is that no matter what combination of time and power that you use, I always seem to get the outer annulus of the omelette hard, not hard but firm, and a little pool in the middle, a puddle in the middle of sloppy stuff. I haven't worked out why that happens, but this is what I do about it. sure if you can see that, but the outside is sort of cooked enough. The inside is still runny. So what I do is I get the spoon and just spoon that sludge, that liquid part, around the outside, leaving the inside, the middle, as empty as you can, although of course it tends to run back in. And then give it another 30 seconds on high. Generally after this it should be reasonably evenly cooked. If there's still a little bit of liquid in the middle, it tends to be the runny peanut butter that's melted, and I don't mind just eating the omelette with a little bit of runny peanut butter, that's fine. So there we are, our omelette. As I say, there's still a little bit of puddle in the middle, but I just spoon that onto the outside and eat the whole lot together. Bon appetit!